Welcome to First Quick Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to get great water reflections in your landscape photos. So the first thing that we're going to do when we have our landscape layer is we're going to make sure that it's selected, and you can quickly duplicate a layer by dragging it onto the new layer button. So now with our duplicate layer, the first thing we're going to do is go over to the rectangular marquee tool, or M for short, and we're going to draw a rectangle across the top just where we see the land in the photo. Now the next thing that we're going to do is, with that selection on this layer copy, we're going to go down to the mask button and click that. Now it looks like nothing happened yet, but while this layer is still selected, we can go up to Edit, down to Transform, and then we're going to go to Flip Vertical. So now we have the base of our reflection here, but it's a little too strong. We're going to make that a little bit more subtle. And what we're going to do is take the brush tool, or B for short. Then we're going to go into the brush tool settings, bring up the size a bit, and make sure that the hardness is at 0%. After that, it's time to start painting black onto our mask layer, so that then we can make this reflection look a bit more subtle. You can just paint from left to right, over and across. And then we're just going to make sure that we get rid of some of these sharp edges on the layer as well. This looks pretty good. Now we're just going to move this reflection up a little bit closer to the land. And voila, there we go. You've got your quick and easy reflection in Adobe Photoshop.